Section 11.3 is on areas of circles and sectors. The formula for the area of a circle is pi r squared, where r is the radius of the circle. And recall from the last chapter that the radius is the segment that goes from the center to any point on the circle. Let's take a look at a couple examples here. Find the area of a circle that has a diameter of 12 inches and round it to the nearest tenth. So if my diameter is 12 inches, the diameter goes all the way across the circle, so my radius is going to be 6 inches. Formula for the area of a circle, pi r squared. So my area is equal to pi times 6 squared, or 36 pi inches exactly, or plugging that into my calculator, I get that the area is approximately 113.1 inches squared. Oops, forgot the squared on there. Inches squared. This example says find the radius of a circle that has an area of 58 square inches round to the nearest tenth. So in this case, I don't know what the radius is, but I know that the area is 58 square inches. So let's write the formula. Area equals pi r squared. My area is 58. That equals pi times the radius squared. Since what I'm looking for is the radius, I need to solve that. So I'm going to divide both sides by pi. So my radius squared is equal to 58 over pi. To get rid of the squared, I'm going to take the square root of both sides. So my radius is the square root of 58 over pi, which is approximately equal to 4.3 inches. And remember, that's not squared, that's a linear measure because it's the radius. A sector of a circle is a region bounded by a central angle and its intercepted arc. So this slice right here would be the sector of a circle. Its boundary is the central angle, which in this case is marked x degrees, and the arc, which is on the outside here. To me, a sector of a circle looks like a slice of pizza, where the arc is the crust. Let's take a look. Oh, here's the formula for the area of a sector. The area of a sector is x over 360 times pi r squared, where x is the measure of the central angle. So basically what we have right here is the measure of the central angle divided by 360 times the area of the circle. The area of the sector, the area of the pizza slice, is a fraction of the area of the entire circle. So here's a couple examples. Find the area of each shaded sector. So here I have a circle that has a radius of 3, and my central angle is 57 degrees. So using the formula for that, area equals x over 360 times pi r squared. Let's plug in what we know. Area is 57 degrees over 360 times pi times 3 squared. And plugging that all into my calculator, I get that the area is approximately equal to 4.5 square inches. And for this example, we're given that the radius is 11, but in this case I'm given the measure of this angle here, which is 65, but that's not the angle I'm looking for. I need the angle that kind of creates this yellow section over here. So x is going to be equal to 360, which is 360 degrees for the whole circle, minus that 65 degree angle over here, where the angle I'm going to be using is 295 degrees. So my area is 295 over 360 times pi times 11 squared. Plugging that all into my calculator, I get that the area is approximately equal to 311.5 square inches. So in this section we took a look at the formula for the area of a circle, which you were probably already familiar with, and the formula for the area of a sector, which is a segment of a circle which looks like a slice of pizza. To find the area of the sector, you're basically finding a fraction of the area of the entire circle.